I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
So welcome back to the Bourbon and Boost YouTube channel. It has been a long time because of issues. We are set up here at Ohio Valley to do some testing today. We are going to be testing Mark's truck. It has actually been out since before mine. We ran into some issues. We'll show some of the passes right now so y'all can see the last time we were out, because I did not edit a video for it. So we'll show you that, then we'll get back into today. So guys, as you can see, his truck did really well, but intake air temps were too high. So now we have switched it to a different fuel. I won't tell you what fuel, but we have switched it to a different fuel so that we don't have to put an intercooler in it. And the problem is we don't have time to be putting an intercooler in right now. So with that, we're gonna see what it does today on the new fuel. Transmission should be fixed. This one got a new transmission, and that's what has held us off, is unfortunately the transmission took a little bit, and then we've had 3 weeks of rain. You know, Kentucky, it's that time of year. So now that we're back, we try to get out there, test this new transmission. We're gonna hit it light first, see if it actually 1-2s like it should, and then we will get out there and actually smack the crap out of it and see what it does. So we're hoping the transmission holds better. It was built by a different transbuilder this time. Nothing against the old one, just too many issues and stuff we don't want to talk about. We don't, you know, I don't know if he just did the best he could, I guess, and I'm not happy with the quality, so it is what it is. But all right guys, so we're going to try to get to the lanes here hopefully soon, but unfortunately it's very slow here today, so we'll see what happens. So much happier with that pass. 13 pounds, 6,200 RPM, babying it. It went 6.1 at 120. Mark, what'd you run? Mark spun the tire. First time ever. We're so proud of him. 7. Slower than a Tesla. That's rough. That's rough.
As fast as you too.
No, I went 6.1. So we're gonna wait 4 hours because the track is running terrible. Steve's changing the tune now that we know it's shifting. And we're gonna try to get back to the staging lanes here soon. Definitely probably gonna have to change the converter and loosen it up. It's definitely tight. It's taking forever to build boost off the line no matter what Steve does. And Steve knows a lot of tricks, and it's still, converter's just very tight now that the transmission is working right. So hopefully we can get this thing going, get it where I want. I told him I'd like to see a certain number today, but he laughed. I don't know if that'll happen, but let's get back to the staging lane as soon as we can and try again. Well, so guys, as you can see, we are not at the track no more. Some interesting things happened and a lot of frustration with the track, the people running the track owners, everybody. So there was a small event going on the day that we went up there. I understand that they come first, but there was only about 15 cars in the whole event. Probably close to 20, 25 cars doing testing too. Track opened at 6. They wouldn't let us run until almost 8 o'clock. Nobody. Because it was a no prep event. They scraped the track, whatever. It's fine. We made our first test hit in between their rounds, and then there was a massive gap between rounds, which made no sense. They should have just let us test and tune guys keep going, including the street cars that were there doing it, because all that would have done was help make it more no prep. People can disagree with me, but it's very frustrating when you pay that kind of money and you don't get to make passes like you want. And it's due to ignorance, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna ruffle some feathers and I really don't care about it. The track is ran terrible. The event wasn't bad, but they should have let us run more. So we only got 2 passes all night. We got our second hits done. They told us we were going to get third hits after the third round. We hurried up, and I'm really grateful for my team, all the people I have on my side, from my wife, Joe, Steve, Work Steve, Jamie, which is Steve's wife, Mark, everybody, Katie, everybody was there helping me. Because when I came off the track after my pass, the parachute was out and needed to be packed. We needed to pull the data log. We needed to put ice in the box and drain the box, put more ice in it, check the fuel. So my whole team busted butt was getting that car turned around, cooled down quick so we can make a third hit. Mark was already cooled down. Just to be in the middle of us doing this, be told, no more test and tune. So we paid extra to get in for test and tune that night, including extra per person that went into the track for us to help us and spectate, just to get to make 2 hits, which is disrespectful. 100%. It is terrible. There's no reason for it. Super disappointed in that track, and it has been going downhill for years, I feel like, and really hope that they do something to change that. I stand behind the local tracks, and I try to support them as much as I can with what I race. I enjoy there being tracks close, but there's been a lot of talk of people going out to a farther track because it's a better facility and ran better, and I 1000% agree with that. From what I've seen and what I've done going to that track versus this track, it is night and day difference. And I feel like something needs to be done with that track, and I'm trying not to say any names, but this is where we're at. The cars did good. Mark's went his personal best by a little bit. We still got a lot to go with suspension. Mine did very well, still tire shaking at the top end. We know why. Everything went about like we hoped. The transmission's functioning good now. I mean, it literally went as good as I can hope for. My wife was actually, very rarely does she say much about the racing because she's not a huge fan of it. She likes it. She's just not, she prefers other types of racing more. But even she was impressed by how well the car went down, because the last time she had seen the car out, it did not go down at all. But guys, it went well. Hopefully things change at these local tracks and they get their heads out of their butts and realize that we're the ones that do help keep it open. And you know, we quit going, there's, you know, which I hate to see that because I don't want to see a track shut down. But it is what it is. We have pulled the alternator. The alternator's been sent out to be fixed, hopefully. And hopefully we can get back to track this Friday. We'll see. We got scorching heat right now. We went from rain for 3 months to scorching heat very fast. So we will see. The car's pretty much ready besides the alternator. Hopefully it's done this week. And then we can get back to one more test. I'd like to get one more test and actually turn the car up before we actually try to go run any kind of events, now that we're getting things lined out. But it's kind of where we're at. It sucks. You know, I feel like I wasted a whole bunch of money going into the track testing, but you gotta spend money to go fast, I guess. So, guys, tell me your horror stories if you have some of your local tracks. Maybe if people start hearing more, track owners and stuff start hearing more, maybe they'll start trying to make a change and make some of these tracks better where more people want to come back to them. So, guys, with that, like, subscribe, help me out a little bit. Hopefully we'll make some more videos soon, and y'all be able to see what we're doing. So till next time, guys, we'll see you later.